Well, Charlene Pad from the Kansas Soybean Commission is with us this morning to share a tasty casserole recipe. We're doing comfort foods. Good morning to you, Charlene.
Good morning, and with January winter here,
we need it, don't
it's
we?
great to get that oven going and have warm foods. I love this recipe. It is a chipotle corn casserole. And it will serve about 12 people as a side dish.
Yeah.
So one of those recipes you'll want to tuck away for when you're going to have a party. I've started out with a cup of soft tofu, and I just used a little whisk and kind of stirred it to mix it up.
Yeah.
To that, we're going to add, I'm going to go ahead and add this. This is 2 tablespoons and a teaspoon that it says. This recipe is from the Soy Foods Council of chipotle sauce. And I just chopped up the chipotles. But Elise, if you like it spicy, you could add a little bit more to it.
Wonderful.
Now we're going to add 1 can of creamed corn.
Okey-dokey.
I'll add that to it. We could actually call this a double corn recipe because it has a can of creamed corn and then it has a bag of frozen corn. So we'll add that into it. Great. And you can tell it's still a little frozen, isn't there, when we bake it. We're going to add 2 eggs now.
Alrighty.
And then there's a little bit of sugar there. We're going to add that, I think 2 tablespoons of sugar. And then that is a 1/2 cup of soy milk. You could, since we've got the sweetness in there, if you have vanilla soy milk, you could probably use it. It calls for plain soy milk.
Sure.
And then we have margarine that it's 1/4 cup that I melted. That's another one of our soy ingredients. And then this is a small package of muffin mix, or a cornmeal muffin mix. And we're just going to add that whole package in here.
And you can just get this at the store?
Yes, yes, it's just a Jiffy mix.
Oh, wonderful.
And then the recipe calls for 2 cups of cheddar cheese. We're going to add 1 cup now, and you can add that whole amount. And then we've saved a cup that when we put it in the oven, we're going to put it on top.
Oh, wonderful.
Here is our 9x13 casserole. We're going to put this all in there. In a grease casserole, and it bakes for 350 degrees for 15 minutes. Put that cheese on top, that weathered cup, and oh my goodness, you have a wonderful creamy casserole. I'll just stir that a little bit, but there you go. How easy was that?
Easy, and it looks absolutely delicious. And Charlene, if people want to find this recipe or any other recipes from the Kansas Soybean Commission, where can they do so?
They should go to kansassoybeans.org or call our 800 number, 877-KS-SOYBEAN. We'll mail them all the recipes for January.
Fantastic. Well, thanks so much for being with us this morning, Charlene. Happy to see you. Stick around. We'll be right back.